Hello, welcome students for the online lecture on fluid power systems. So we are discussing the first module, that is Introduction to Fluid Power Systems. So we are discussing the seals. So we have discussed in last class the classification of seals, what is positive seal, what is non-positive seal, what is the static seal, dynamic seals, which are different cross sections which are used for seals like O, U, V, T piston rings. Seals are going to stop the internal as well as external leakages. So we'll discuss the seal materials. The most commonly used seal materials are leather, metal, polymer, elastomers and plastics, asbestos, common iron, etc. Factors for seal selection: there are a lot of physical conditions which need considerations before an engineer opt to use a particular seal for specific application. So it means the design engineer must know the properties of the seal materials, and maintenance engineer also must know the properties of the seal material so that he can select the seal which is suitable for the particular application. So how to select the seals? So they are selected according to the working pressure and pressure ranges. So some applications require high pressure and some applications require low pressure. So according to the pressures we are going to select the seals. Environmental conditions. According to environmental conditions we are going to select the seals. According to the fluid medium, whether dynamic or static applications, temperature of the system, functional reliability and expected life. A thorough knowledge of properties of seal materials is essential for designer as well as maintenance engineer in order to make an optimum choice. Some of these properties are hardness, volume change, tensile strength, compression strength, stretch strength, thermal effects, electric properties, permeability. Leather in hydraulic system. Leather is a commonly used seal material. Leather seals are preferred because of the following properties: high resistance to abrasions and wear, low coefficient of friction, better lubricating property, inherently pliable, means flexible. Asbestos is used both for static as well as dynamic seals. They are quite suitable for high temperature applications. Rubber, other elastomeric and plastic seals materials. In hydraulics and other fluid system, various types of rubbers, elastomers and plastics are found to be more commonly used seal materials due to their excellent resilience, means capacity to recover quickly, wide temperature range, wide availability and easy to fabricate. So these are easy to fabricate also, they are available widely. So at high temperatures also, at low temperature also they are able, and capacity to recover quickly. So that's why rubber or other elastomeric and plastic seals are used, and easy to fabricate also. They are individually used or in combination with other additive materials. The most common elastomeric seal materials and other compounds are natural rubber, plastic, nylon, Teflon, butyl, ethylene, propylene, fluorosilicon, isoprene, neoprene, buna-S, polyurethane, polysulfide. So to join the components from one component to another component, that is for reservoir to pump, pump to pressure relief valve to direction control valve to accumulator, and from accumulator to actuator, and from actuator to back to direction control valve, and from direction control valve to reservoir. That is so to make pressure line and return line, we are going to use the pipes. So pipes are having with external threads and the components are having internal threads. So by using the Teflon tape and all, we can join the pipe with the components. So pipes are required to join the components one to another component, so to complete that hydraulic system. So rigid pipes are can be used, and flexible pipes like hoses are also can be used to join the components. So how the application is required, according to that we are going to select the pipes and hoses. So in figure you can see the pipes and hoses. So these are different types of fittings like T, elbow, coupling, vise. So these are the fittings and connectors. Union, reducer, adapter, flare fittings. So these are the unions, reducers, adapters and flare fittings. These are the flanges to join the pipes and to join the one pipe to another pipe using the static seals. We are going to use the flanges. Materials for pipes. Which materials can be used for manufacturing of pipes which are used in the hydraulic system? The carbon steel pipes, fully annealed, descaled and phosphated, oiled for adequate protection against rust in storage while in use. Stainless steel pipes, copper, aluminum, cupronickel and other ferrous and non-ferrous metal pipes are used for piping in fluid power system. Filters and strainers. Filters and strainers are devices whose primary function is to retention of insoluble contaminants. Generally, a strainer is a coarse filter. Various porous media or wire mesh screens are used as a filtration medium. The medium is mostly a screen or other forms of filtering devices that stop contamination, that stop contaminants but allow the oil to move forward. The higher the sieve number, the finer the screen. Filters made of materials other than wire screens are rated in micron sizes. So with figure of different filters, we are going to discuss the different types of filters. Thank you.